that word.
Do it again.
There you go.
What is it again? Do not say that word this time, young man.
There you go.
Sing a pop song. Killed himself.
Is he still singing Battle for the Sun?
Yes. Where's the key? I gave him an irrigation syringe.
Huh?
Gave him an irrigation syringe. They've been filling it up with water and letting him chase the cat with it.
It's not to get a chance to sing in a minute.
Oh, there he is. No, you're not going to twerk the cat with that. Because I said no. Of course it kind of looks like that.
Huh?
The first picture was wearing the one I have kind of looks like that. Yeah. No, you wouldn't know that.
The cops are coming for you.
Oh. So about his birthday. So are you going to be able to be there? What's going on?
I don't know what's going on.
Well, I figured we'd talk about it.
Well, I'm hardly in a position to discuss anything.